think it's terrifying.
Another day of doing the floss. Yo, Garfield! Come here!
I think Garfield gold.
Someone just blocked me. I did nothing.
Where's Garfield at?
I know where Garfield at.
How did I die?
I think I know where Garfield is.
Y'all here.
I am not going to die.
It's over here.
Run, 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 run. I saw Garfield. He's coming for us. I see Garfield. He was coming for us. Run.
Guys, I found Garfield. I found Garfield by accident.
I'm going to shoot you. Let me shoot you.
What? Yo, who's coming with me? Somebody come with me.
I'll go with you.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Whee! Did you know the logo of McDonald's in the game Garfield? It says McDonald's, not McDonald's. Did you know
Yeah,
that?
that's crazy.
Like, why does it even say McDonald's? It's just highly murdered.
What the?
Garfield is right there. Garfield is right there. Follow me. Yo, guard, Joe. You're guarded.
I'm scared I'm gonna get too close and attack him.
Garfield. I just want a hug. That's it. Just one hug.
Elbows, okay, get him.
Wasted a minute. Yo, Garfield! 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 Yo, jump Garfield! Jump
Yeah, poor guy.
Yo, Garfield!
Garfield.
Let's find this dumb Garfield. I think we already found him.
Yeah, I think we did. Yeah.
Yep, we did. Slip back.
How did I die?
Yo, get down here! Get down here! Get down here! Get down here! That's evil juice. That's how we turn it.
I just shoved it up my butt. What's his name? Because
Evil juice. Did he just die? I know. If you step like right here, you will die. But you were standing right here. But if
What
you're
about right here?
standing right here, if you're standing in one of these corners, that means you do not die. You don't
Oh.
you do not die when you step in corners.
Is that queso?
Guys, let's stick together. If you
Y'all,
if
let's
you
all
wanna
party up.
stay-
Let's all party up. Let's
Stick
all party up.
together, guys. Guys, let's stick together.
Party up.
Guys, come on, let's party up. That means we can stick
Party up,
together
party
wherever
up.
we go.